In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your 3D model into Dimension and generate UVs when none are found on the model. This process is essential for ensuring that textures and decals are applied correctly to your 3D model, enhancing its overall appearance and functionality. First, let's start by importing your model into Dimension. You can use different file formats like OBJ, FBX, or GLTF, whichever you have at hand. To do this, navigate to the File menu at the top of your screen, then select Import, followed by 3D Model. This will open up a dialog box where you can choose the specific model file you'd like to bring into Dimension. It's a straightforward process, but make sure your model file is readily accessible to keep things smooth and efficient. Now, as you're importing your model, keep an eye out for an option that pops up during this process. Dimension provides a feature to automatically generate UVs if none are found on the model. You might see the option labeled as Generate UVs or something similar like Generate UVs if none are found. You can also find this option later within the model's Object menu if you miss it during the initial import. By selecting this, Dimension will automatically create UVs for the model. This step is crucial because UV mapping is what allows textures to wrap correctly around your 3D objects, ensuring that materials and images look natural when applied. After your model is imported with the UVs generated, select your model in Dimension to inspect one of its materials. This step is where you can begin to see the power of proper UV mapping. You can test the UVs by applying a graphic, decal, or texture onto the model. Pay close attention to how this placement appears. If the decal sits correctly and aligns naturally with the model's surface, congratulations, the UVs are functioning perfectly. However, if you notice any oddities, such as decal stretching or seams appearing where they shouldn't, it might be a sign that the automatic UV generation didn't perfectly suit your model. In cases where the decal placement seems off or shows strange behavior, you might need to manually unwrap the model. Manual unwrapping involves organizing the UVs yourself, which can be a bit more time-consuming and complex. However, it allows for greater precision and control over how textures fit onto your model. This step is generally recommended for those with a bit more experience in 3D modeling, as it can significantly improve the final appearance of the applied textures. And that's it! By following these steps, you can ensure that your 3D models in Dimension have the UVs they need to properly display textures and decals, making them look as polished and professional as possible.